In the name of Allah, my name is Nangyala Ismoni. I'm from Afghanistan. I was a journalist at Kabul Times. Also, I'm advisor media with Paralympic of Afghanistan. Also, I'm a peace messenger of the sport journalist in Afghanistan. Right now, he came from Pakistan for my treatment, my leg. I have a problem. Also, I'm so happy about the people of Pakistan and the environment, about the everything. The people of Pakistan, I so like it because they are our hospitality, my family. I have 3 children. With my wife came here. I'm so happy. Thank the people of Pakistan. They are respect us. I love very much the Pakistan, the people, the environment, the everything. I also thank my brother. He should take my interview about my knowledge about my sport situation. Thank you.